Hello, today I have come here to discuss something very interesting called second income. All our life we are very focused about our job profile, our career, and we actually overthink a lot because that income defines what kind of lifestyle we can lead. But I must tell you, in this video I have come to you to specially discuss about the other modes and methods of income which we don't think too seriously, but actually can get us some extra income and also support in certain lifestyle experiences. So today the discussion topic is mystery shopping. Yes, mystery shopping means that you are actually shopping in a place without the knowledge of the owners and taking the experience or eating the food or buying stuff and getting paid for it. How does it work? So what happens is the quality team of the companies, they hire an agency called mystery shopping agencies. For example, Red Quanta is one. Then there is one more agency called Shaw Hotels. So what these agencies do is they have these websites where any person like you and me go and register ourselves with our name, email ID, age, our profession and income. So what happens is once we fill in these details, this companies shortlist and they can invite us for various shopping audits. For example, if there could be a shopping audit of a restaurant, wherein if we go and apply for that particular audit, the representative of that mystery shopping company will verify our profile and can call us to check if we are interested to do the audit depending on the criteria, and they may request us to go one person or two person to the restaurant. They will give us a upper limit of 1,500 or 2,000 rupees for spending in the restaurant, which can be reimbursed. So you and your friend can go into that restaurant, eat and check on the ambience, how they are giving you, what kind of service they are giving you, and you can make a mental note of it. Once you come back, you can just upload the pictures, and depending on the criteria and requirement, you just fill in the form. Within 2 to 3 days, that owned by the mystery shopper agency, and after 2 to 3 months, they give you the predetermined money back. So what happens is you can visit as many restaurants as you want, as many salons as you want. You can have a list of mystery shopping membership to the mystery shopping agencies and check out the best option which suits you. So you probably, if you are even spending 5,000, 10,000, 12,000 rupees in this kind of experiences in a month, you can get up to 80 to 90% of this money in the form of reimbursements. There are one or two more mystery shopping websites like Onion Insight, then Bear International. You can go and check those out. I'm keeping this name in the description section also, and I will come back to you with more second income option. Till then, thank you so much for watching. Look forward to see you again. Thank you so much. Bye bye.